Good day everyone, so welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to solve this together. And it says solve for a if the square root of a plus square root of minus a is equal to 32. Yeah, we're asked to solve for a. So we're going to start by saying solution, and I would like to arrange the equation to have a square root of a to be on the left hand side, that is to say square root of a equals to 32 minus square root of minus a. Yes. Why I did this was to have the concept of difference of two squares, which is this. I have a negative sign already. So what should I do? I'll go to square both sides. If I square both sides, it will give me the room for the difference of two squares on the right hand side. It will also enable me to eradicate this square root from the a. You see, so it's a win-win kind of thing. So I'm going to say square both sides becomes a square equal to 32 minus square root of minus a square. See now, the difference of two squares is out here. And here, conveniently, this square can take care of this square root. So the left hand side will be equal to a equal to 32 minus square root of minus a square. But the concept of difference of two squares, if a minus b squared, it can be resolved to be a squared plus b squared minus 2a times b. So in this case, our a is 32 and our b is the square root of minus a. So we're going to fix our value here, and it will end up becoming, if this is a, this is 32 squared plus b square root of minus a square minus 2 times 32 times square root of minus a. Yes, so I'm going to open this up. Equals to 32 squared is 1024 plus this square will take out the square root minus a minus 2 times 32 is 64 times square root of minus a. Yeah, this is very fine. So what we do next, we're going to still further open up, and it says a is equal to 1024. This becomes minus a minus 64 times square root of minus a. So we want to bring this a to the other side. So a plus a will be equal to 1024 minus 64 times square root of minus a. You see? So a plus a is 2a equal to, if I divide 1024 by 2, I'll bring out 2 to be left with 5, 2 minus, divide this by 2, of a 32 square root of minus a. So now I'm reducing it bit by bit, so the 2 can cancel out to be left with a equal to 512 minus 32 square root of minus a. Value here 512 to meet to the left hand side, that is to say a plus 512 equal to minus 32 square root of minus a. You see this? So what do? we are going to, no, if this is crossing over here, it has to be negative. Yes, this is negative, minus. And we're going to take the square of both sides. If you take the square of both sides, this other part becomes the difference of two square that we have dealt with previously to enable us to go further. So that this will say a minus 512 squared is equal to minus 32 square root of minus a squared. Yes. So using this identity, we want to say this part becomes a squared plus 512 squared minus 2 times 512 times a is equal to minus 32 square root of minus a squared. This is beautiful. This becomes a plus 512 squared minus 2 times 512 is 1024a equal to 64, positive 64, and this square root will take care of this square. The square will take care of this square will be left with minus a. I don't know if you follow what I just did. I will repeat it there so that you get a clearer view of it. So what it means is that line, I'll write it again, is a squared, a plus 512 all squared minus 1024 a equal to minus 32 squared times square root of minus a squared. I think it's better. So this becomes a plus 512 squared minus 1024a equal to 32 squared is 1024. It becomes minus a, and this is fine. And eventually the right answer will be minus 1024a. That we have minus 1024a also, and here a plus 52 squared. So we want to take this term here so that it can take care of itself. A plus 512 squared in bracket is equal to minus 1024a. When this crosses the equal sign to this side, becomes plus 1024a. And this definitely will take care of themselves because 0, and then we have a squared plus 512 squared. So we want to take 512 to the right hand side. A squared becomes minus 512 squared. And if we take the square root of both sides to eliminate this square, it becomes a squared square root equals to square root of minus 512 squared. Okay, so the square will take care of the square root and will be left with a equal to, so that part can be minus 1 times 512 squared, which is equal to the square root of minus 1 times square root of 512 squared is equal to square root of 1 minus 1 times the square takes care of the square root becomes 512. And this square root of minus 1 becomes I. Square root of minus 1 is I times 512. So A is equal to plus or minus 512I plus or minus. We're supposed to be putting that plus or minus, but eventually this is our answer.